Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. We are going to shoot and set our Tesla Model Y here, and we are using our WRD PRO6 to set this one. And because we did not have a decent glue map on our glass, we are actually going to shoot the body on this one. So let's get started. To start on our passenger side, because it's a lot easier for a right-handed guy like me to reach across. Come down our A-pillar. And I am holding this a little bit to the inside because of the way this was shot. The glue is pretty tight to the molding, so across the bottom here, reach across as far as we can, right about there. Clean off our tip here. And should give us a nice clean seam. Finish off our bead there. We take our ever-present screwdriver here, if I can dig it out of my pocket, and join this seam like so. Make sure our overlap is nice and clean, and our overlap on the bottom should be just fine. Clean that guy off real quick before we put it back in our pocket. Clean that off before we put it back in the door. And then we're just going to take our dead blow hammer here, also by WRD, and we're going to put it right here to give ourselves just a little bit of a lift on, give us a little bit more gap here to slip inside. So make sure our cups are all well anchored so we don't slip. And let's set a Tesla. Hanging on our hook like normal. Up and over. Watch your corner on the other side, because as tall as these windshields are, you can accidentally dip inside the cab. Slide this up a little bit. Dip underneath the hood there. Stay nice and low. And just drop it right in place. Like so. To our other side. And you can see missed our glue line all underneath there. So we are all good. Remove our cup. Watch our top molding. Make sure we're in the right spot. Deck it down. So these away. Check our reveals. Make sure we're even across the top. Deck it down nice and tight. Pop our cups. And we are ready to put everything back together. That is setting a Tesla Model Y with your WRD PRO6 setting tool. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.